In this video, we will talk about how to install Windows 10 in Virtualbox. After installing Virtualbox, you will get a screen like this. Click on New. In VM name, type your virtual machine name. Then add folder location to save virtual machine files. In ISO image, click on Other and select your ISO file. For OS edition, you can leave it as it is, or you can select your operating system. However, it doesn't matter. You have to select your OS edition later. Moving forwards, click on Setup, Unattended Guest OS Installation. Here, you have to enter your username and password and make sure there is no space in between. Now, click on Specify Virtual Hardware. Here, you have to assign RAM to your virtual machine and numbers of CPU cores. Don't assign your hardware more than green line. After this, click on Specify Virtual Hard Disk. Assign the disk size to your virtual machine. It required at least 50 gigabytes for Windows 10 virtual machine. Then click on Finish. All right, here you can see it's installing Windows 10. It's going to take some time. Let me fast forward it. Once it's installed, let's make it full screen. For that, click on Device. Select Insert Guest Edition CD image. Then click on File Explorer. Select this PC. Double-click on Virtualbox Guest Editions. Then VBox Windows Editions. Click on Yes. Click on Next, and Install. Then click on Finish to reboot your virtual machine. So that's how you can install Windows 10 in Virtualbox. See you in the next video.